Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made these tasty, crispy barbecue chicken bites. The full list of ingredients and measurements are in the description box below. I've cleaned up my 4 chicken breasts and I'll chop them into cubes. I'll trim off any bits of skin. Once my chicken's all chopped up, I'll season with some onion powder, a sprinkle of cayenne pepper. I'll add some garlic granules, some sea salt and some smoked paprika. I'll spend some time getting each piece of chicken coated in the seasoning and set aside for now. I'll grab 2 bowls of plain flour and I'll season each bowl with the same seasoning. I'll start with the onion powder. And goes the salt, the garlic granules, here comes the smoked paprika and the cayenne pepper. And I'll spend some time blending the spices together really well. And I'll do the same with the other bowl. Once all the seasonings combined, I'll add some cold water until I get a smooth pancake type consistency batter. I'll take each piece of seasoned chicken and coat really well with this seasoned flour, and then into the batter and then back to the seasoned flour again. All done. I've got the oil nice and hot, 180 Celsius. I'll slowly place them in. I only put in about 4 at a time because I don't want to overcrowd the pan. I've preheated my oven, and after frying, I'll pop them into the oven to keep warm as I do each batch. I fry each batch for about 4 minutes, and I'll make sure that they're cooked inside all the way through. They're lovely and crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. I'll get these into the oven as soon as I've cooked them to keep warm. I've got my barbecue sauce recipe video linked in the description below and in the comment section. Once all the delicious crispy chicken bites are cooked, smother in as much tangy barbecue sauce as you'd like. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.